Redneck Garage. It's a little chilly out here today. I'm out here with Mavi. Mavi was built in Mexico, sold in the United States, and today I'm going to be talking about a part made in China for Mavi that is very inexpensive, something easy to install. There's no downside really to putting it on your truck because you can take it off easily, but it is actually pretty cool as far as like a daytime running light. Now I've seen some on the forum on MaverickTruck.com that sit right here on the top of the black plastic and point forward out, and wasn't that thrilled with those. This one doesn't do that. This is the box it comes in. There's no instructions. It's basically just a strip. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, so this is it. There's not much to it. It's got 3M tape on one side. It's less than $15 on Amazon. I got a link down below in the description. It's got two leads, positive and negative, red and black, and there's not really much to it. You want to get the one, well, I put a link down below, but it's 1.5 meters, I think, or 59 inches. It's the one that fits the Maverick the best. So let's take a look at the installation of this. It's really quick and it's easy, and from China, I've actually been pretty impressed with this product. So yeah, before you say anything, that is aluminum foil around my mirrors. I've been accused of having an aluminum tinfoil hat, but that is not what this is. The birds keep crapping all over my truck. So this is a test to see if that will keep them from crapping down the side of my truck every day. Both sides, nasty. I'm told they're marking their territory. I don't know what it is, but it's just gross. And I've got some black mirror covers that just slip over, but this is just a test today. Looks stupid. So on the Lariat, it's got an LED here on the top, but as you can see, the strip goes from here and it'll go right up to here. So that's about perfect length right under the fenders on both sides. And the wire I just tucked up underneath here. So that was pretty cool. Instead of being on the front and drilling holes, it basically just sits right on the top of the black, and I just ran it across the headlight. And you don't see it with the hood closed at all. Now, at first I tried to figure out the wiring on the daytime running lights on the Lariat, and indeed it is all computer controlled. There's no actual 12-volt signal coming to the light. It's hot all the time, so there's no way to wire it into the actual daytime running light so it comes on at the same time, right? Okay, option number two is going to be wiring it into your front marker light. Okay, you can see the front marker light. You got a green wire here. That's the wire to the daytime running light, so the strip. I just used a cap and crimped it on. You can use a T connector, however you want to do it. It's going to come off the green wire off the parking light. And to get it from here to here, let me show you. I just took a straightened out coat hanger and ran it up. And you can see it right here. Tied it to the wire and then just pulled it back down through there and then wired it up. So that was pretty easy. Then you're just going to pop your marker light back on. I use the horn bolt as the ground. You can use this one as a ground, but anyway, you can use anything as a ground really. Wherever there's a ground, you can hook that wire up. I need to put an eyelet on it. So that's really it. It's stuck on, it's wired in, and it's ready to rock and roll, and it'll come on anytime the side marker light is on. I like that you can't see it at all on the front of your grill. No one would ever know it's there. And the other thing is, if it breaks or it craps out, all you gotta do is just pull it off, because the 3M strip will just release and you can throw it in the trash can like the $15 Chinese part that it is. Okay, so that's about all there is to putting it on there. Let me show you what it looks like at night. It actually is pretty impressive, especially since it's not pointed out forwards, that it's just ambient light going down. I think it looks really good. All right, let's see what happens when I use the Ford Pass app. That's so cool. Awesome. So So that's going to be it. 2 wires and some 3M tape going across the top. Nobody sees it. $15. And when it starts up, it looks like Knight Rider as it goes across and then lights back up. So cool. Just a quick video for the daytime running lights. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep watching. I hope you subscribe. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.